The essence of investment management is the management of risks and not the management of return. So says the investment guru Benjamin Graham. Friends, this is not very different from all of us. All of us want to achieve great things in life, but without stepping outside our safe zones. Now, I'm going to tell you a small story that emanates from the African savannah that gives us valuable lessons in this. Welcome to Money Monk, presented by Muthoot Finance, and I'm Babu Krishnamurthy of Financial Sherpa. Visualize the African savannah. Lots of zebras within a small area. All of them are grazing. And the reason is very simple. Within that group, they have safety. The safety is that no predator, no lion can jump in and kill them at one instant, right? So there is safety in numbers, that's why. But there's also a problem, my friends. The problem is that because there are so many zebras grazing within that small place, the grass is very thin, very small, not very fresh as well. The really fresh grass is actually outside the circle, but there's a problem there. The problem is that with fresh grass also comes the risk that any zebra eating those grass can be easily pounced on by the lion, right? So the choice is whether I want the juicy grass which has a little higher risk, or I want to stay safe and eat that low grass. It's also the choice all of us need to make in life between whether we want to take a risk to achieve something bigger, or do we want to stay within safe zone. That's the choice we need to make. The African savannah has some financial lessons for us, friends. We can either be in the safe zone of keeping our investments in the bank at a very low interest rate that may not even cover your inflation rate and really give you no growth at all. Or we can afford to take some big risks which can also give you great returns, like in the stock market or mutual funds. Only thing is that we need to take those risks after doing our homework and looking at staying invested over long periods of time. Decide on your level of risks and the level of return will follow through. So as we have seen, the level of risk is also equal to the level of your return. More the risk, more the return. But there's one place where there's a lot of return with no risk at all. That's nothing but the Muthoot Finance Loan at Home. It's fast, it's easy, it's convenient, and it's at your doorstep. Let's find out more.
Hi, my name is Sarish. I am the zonal head for Muthoot Finance, Tamil Nadu North Zone. I'm here to explain the features of our new product, Loan at Home. So this is India's first unique product for servicing customer at customer's doorstep. When you apply for a loan at home, our employees, our executives come to your house. There's a transparent transaction which happens there. Why? Because one, the gold, you give it to us, measure the gold and tell you as to what is the exact amount, the loan amount which will be given to you. So it is very, very transparent. Unlike, if you go to a normal a pawnbroker or anybody, you will not know exactly how much are you getting. So here is a transparent transaction which happens at your doorstep. When we say we are fast, convenient, at your doorstep, we truly mean it. Over the past so many years, we've been leading in the business of finance. And the other transaction where we've been leading is your trust.
If you risk nothing, you risk everything. On this powerful note, I want to urge you to calculate your risk and take note of your actions that you want to do in life. This is Money Monk, presented by Muthoot Finance, and I am Babu Krishnamurthy of Financial Sherpa. Till we meet the next time, let's keep talking money.